Oops, I got it in your hair. My bad. Good morning, good morning. I'm up early and I'm going to take you on an adventure today. We're going to a farm. It's a farm I've never been to before, so I'm super excited to check it out and see what they have to offer. So let's go.
The main entrance off Garth Brooks Boulevard was not open. If you continue to the next driveway, it's the Yukon Middle School parking lot where you can park, and then there's an entrance right off the original Chisolm Trail. The Chisolm Trail was a historic route, actively primarily between the 1860s and 1880s. It stretched approximately 800 miles through Texas, Oklahoma, which was then Indian Territory, and Kansas. Cowboys drove cattle herds north from Texas ranches to railheads in Kansas. The Chisolm Trail enabled ranchers to sell their cattle in northern markets where beef prices were higher. The trail was named after Jesse Chisolm, a trader who had created part of the trail for his wagon routes. It became one of the most famous cattle driving paths. It is estimated cowboys herded millions of longhorn cattle along this trail to towns like Abilene, Kansas, where railroads transported them to the east. Located on the original Chisolm Trail, the Molly Spencer Farm, formerly the Kirkpatrick Family Farm, is one of the oldest pieces of continually owned family real estate in Oklahoma. Who was Molly Spencer? Molly Spencer purchased this property in 1894. Molly Spencer was married to L.M. Spencer, and Molly's brother-in-law was A.N. Spencer, who is credited for founding the town of Yukon in 1891. Fun fact, Molly Spencer was the grandmother of Oklahoma philanthropist John Kirkpatrick. If you've ever driven on the Kirkpatrick Turnpike, that is named in Molly's grandson's honor, and there are many other contributions that John Kirkpatrick made around the Sooner State.
A.N. Spencer. He is the gentleman that founded the town of Yukon, Oklahoma. And I apologize for the wind. There's a reason why our state song says, "When the wind comes right behind the rain, Oklahoma." A.N. Spencer was a Texas cattle rancher who came to the area with the railroad that was being built from El Reno to Arkansas. He decided to put down roots and found the town of Yukon He filed the townside plat on February 14th, 1891. The town of Yukon was named after the Yukon River that flows through Alaska and Canada that was having the huge gold rush boom around the time that the town of Yukon was founded.
The 33-acre property is beautiful. The farm hosts lots of free community events year-round, including nature walks and bird-watching opportunities. It's a great place to get in touch with nature while nestled in the heart of the city.
How pretty is this? It's bubbling. Do you think it's crude oil? It's bubbling. How are you?
I think my voice has already started to play out.
Uh-oh, that's not good.
Yeah, especially in this deal.
So what are you doing? The honeycombs?
Well, I'm trying to inform folks about the bees and what they're all about.
And what's your name?
I'm Phil.
Phil. Nice to meet you, Phil. I'm Laura.
And I was showing, where'd they go? I had some drone. Yeah, you can see. Okay, these, see those cells are a little bit bigger than these?
Uh-huh.
Those are drone cells. That's the males.
Okay.
Everything else are females, which are workers, and they make a few males to mate with the queen.
Okay.
And the queen will go out whenever she's hatched out. She'll go out of the hive and she puts off this pheromone, and the drones that are in the area are all attracted to it, and she'll mate with multiple drones.
Interesting.
And she has the ability to separate the sperm from each male and to select it whenever she decides to lay an egg.
Wow.
So when she comes back in, They've already got cells already polished for her and everything, and she'll inspect them. If she likes what she sees, she'll lay an egg in them. If she doesn't like what she sees, she won't lay an egg in there. So it's back to the drawing board.
Well, how cool. Do you guys sell the honey?
No, this is, I don't know what these guys do with it. I'm just one of the local beekeepers.
Oh, okay.
And I help them out here
Okay.
also.
Well, very cool.
I started off, they hired my chuck wagon for the Chisolm Trail Festival, and then he found out I was a beekeeper.
And they're...
Oh yeah, this is really kind of a neat place, especially, you know, with the old front street up there that...
Yeah, I've never been here. This is my first time, so it is neat.
Well, I've driven by it. You know, we've lived out in Piedmont for 33 years.
Well, I've seen the sign. I've driven by it too, and I thought, I wonder what that is.
Yeah, until they hired me for chuck wagon, I had no idea. So we do Chisolm Trail Festival. We also do
What month is that in?
Generally October.
October.
Yeah. And we'll do Easter on the Prairie on Saturday before Easter.
Okay.
And that's a really neat deal too, because we have all the and both of them are free. So
Awesome.
There is something peaceful and relaxing about watching animals. Let me know in the comments if you agree, and let me know if you enjoy visiting farms. The ladies were being extremely bashful. Thank you. I'll see myself out.
Treat. Come on. Here, I'll throw it to you. Oops, I got it in your hair. My bad. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this look around the Molly Spencer farm. Until next time, bye for now.